Assignment 3-2, we're going to be using subtraction in formulas. Okay, so I've created my 3-2 sheet. I've gone and copied, clicking and selecting the text in this table. I'm going to right click and copy that. Come back to my sheet, 3-2. Right click in A1 and paste that in. Okay, so we've got our table here that we can work on. Okay, so following the directions. Okay, so we're going to right click E. You know what? Let's do this. Let's give ourselves some room here. I'm going to use the right column margin and make the table a little smaller so it'll all fit on the screen. Okay, so the first thing, first direction is in column E, right click, and we're going to insert one right. So I right clicked in the E column and I'm going to insert a column. Let's give myself some space for that one. And then I am going to right click column H, which is the 3-point attempts. Insert one to the right. And then I don't have to put one for free throws because that is already a blank column. Next in F, I'm going to give some new titles. FG missed. Okay, notice that in D, this is in row 1, this is FG for field goals. This is field goal attempts. And so you attempted, a certain number of field goals, and that's how many you made. So there was a number missed. So we're going to figure that out using the subtraction function. Next thing, we're going to do the same thing with the 3-pointers. 3-pointers missed, okay? And next, these are FT and FTA, which is free throws and free throw attempts. Okay, and so we're going to do free throws missed. Okay. All right, next let's format this a little bit to match what we have on our other spreadsheet. So I select the whole top row and I'm going to bold, center. I'm going to go quicker on these as we've done these quite a number of times. Some of the formatting we've done quite a few times, and then we're going to fill it with yellow. I'm going to select the rankings of the players. I'm going to bold and center. I'm going to fill this one with dark blue again, blue and yellow for Warriors colors, and change the text color to white as we've done before. Okay, so now let's give ourselves a border. Click on the border button and select all borders. Okay, so what I have to do here is I have to make a little formula. Field goals missed in F2 that reflects the field goal attempts minus the field goals made. So I'm going to do equals. I'm going to put E2, or that was the field goals that Stephen Curry attempted. And then I'm going to subtract the ones that he made, E2 minus D2, and that will tell me how many field goals he missed. So he missed 68 field goals and made 54. Okay, so rather than having to do that for each player, by now we can drag the right-hand corner down and fill in that formula for all 7 players. Next, we're going to do the same in column I. I'm going to type in equals, and I'm going to click on 3-point attempts and subtract the ones that were made, the 3-pointers, G2, H2 minus G2, and hit enter. And that will give me the number of 3-pointers that he attempted and the number of 3-pointers that he made. and that will give me, the total will be, the difference between those is the 3 pointers that were missed. And drag that down for that whole column. And for the last one, we're going to go free throws. So I start off always with equals. He attempted 26, and I'm going to subtract the number that he made, 23, and hit enter. And so he only missed 3 free throws. And I'm going to drag that down and put in all of the free throws missed. So that's fairly easy. Okay, now what we want to do, we've got our field goals missed, our 3-pointers missed, and our free throws missed. Now what I want to do is I want to show the formulas for purposes of grading. So I click on View, and I go to All Formulas, and that'll show me the formulas. Okay, there you go. That's assignment 3-2, using subtraction.